We are living in an age of unprecedented technological advancement. Machines can now learn, adapt, and even create. This is the exciting and perhaps unsettling promise of generative AI. From writing poetry to composing music, AI is pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. But where does this incredible technology come from? Generative AI is not magic. It is the product of human ingenuity, built on a foundation of data and algorithms. At its core, generative AI is a mirror, reflecting our own ways of understanding the world. It relies on a way of thinking called nominalism. This philosophy emphasizes the power of names and categories to define our reality. We use labels to organize the world around us. We categorize objects, emotions, and even abstract ideas. Generative AI does the same. It learns from the vast data sets we feed it, identifying patterns and relationships within these human-defined categories. This reliance on nominalism, while powerful, comes with inherent limitations. To understand the true potential and perils of AI, we must first understand the philosophical underpinnings that shape its very existence. Imagine a world where everything is categorized and labeled. Trees, rivers, mountains, all neatly defined and understood through the lens of human language. This is the essence of nominalism, a philosophy that has profoundly influenced the development of Western thought, and now, artificial intelligence. Nominalism emphasizes the power of names. It suggests that our understanding of the world is shaped by the categories we create. These categories, while useful for communication and organization, are ultimately human constructs. They do not necessarily reflect the full complexity of the world itself. Think about a simple object like a chair. We can easily define a chair based on its characteristics: a seat, legs, a back. But what about a beanbag chair? Or a rocking chair? The boundaries of the category chair become blurred. Generative AI, trained on massive data sets labeled with these human-defined categories, inherits the strengths and weaknesses of this nominalistic approach. It excels at pattern recognition within these predefined categories, but it struggles to grasp the gradient variations, synechex fluidity, and analog nature of the real world. This is where the potential peril of nominalistic thinking in AI emerges. If we are not careful, AI systems could perpetuate and even amplify our own biases and limited perspectives. We must be aware of these limitations as we integrate AI into our lives. Generative AI is often described as a powerful new form of intelligence, but we must be careful not to conflate intelligence with consciousness. AI systems, while capable of impressive feats, operate within a confined realm. They are limited by the data they are trained on and the algorithms that govern their behavior. Imagine teaching a child to play the piano by only letting them listen to recordings. The child might learn to mimic the notes, but they wouldn't understand the emotions behind the music or the creativity involved in composing a new melody. Similarly, generative AI operates within a closed loop of information. It lacks the real-world experiences and interactions that shape human intelligence. It doesn't feel the warmth of the sun on its skin or the sting of a tear rolling down its cheek. This lack of embodiment, of genuine interaction with the physical world, creates a fundamental disconnect between AI and true understanding. AI can process information, but it cannot truly comprehend it in the same way humans do. Recognizing these limitations is not about diminishing the achievements of AI. It's about fostering a realistic understanding of its capabilities and ensuring its responsible development and deployment. The idea of machines that can think and feel like humans has long captivated our imaginations. But consciousness, the subjective experience of being aware of ourselves and the world around us, remains an elusive concept. Generative AI, despite its ability to mimic human language and creativity, does not possess consciousness. It does not experience emotions, have self-awareness, or engage in the world with intentionality. Think of a chatbot that can carry on a conversation about love and loss. It can use the right words, even evoke empathy. But it doesn't truly understand these concepts because it has never felt the joy of connection or the pain of heartbreak. This distinction is crucial because it highlights a fundamental difference between human and artificial intelligence. Human intelligence is deeply intertwined with our physical bodies, our emotions, and our lived experiences. AI, on the other hand, operates in a realm of symbols and data. It lacks the biological and experiential foundation that manifests and supports consciousness. As we continue to develop increasingly sophisticated AI, it's essential to remember that intelligence and consciousness are not synonymous. The rapid advancements in AI technology are outpacing the general public's education and critical thinking skills. This disparity poses a significant risk to humanity and our biosphere. It is imperative that we promote education and critical thinking to ensure a balanced and informed society. The urgency of this matter cannot be overstated. Our future depends on it. AI is evolving at an unprecedented rate, but our understanding and governance of these technologies lag behind. This creates a dangerous gap where misuse, misunderstanding, and ethical dilemmas can proliferate. Imagine a world where powerful AI tools are in the hands of those who do not fully comprehend their capabilities or consequences. The potential for harm is immense. Now, more than ever, we need to foster a society that values continuous learning and critical analysis. Educational initiatives must evolve to include comprehensive AI literacy, equipping individuals with the knowledge to navigate and shape the future responsibly. This isn't just about coding or technical skills. It's about understanding the ethical, social, and environmental implications of AI. The stakes are high. As AI continues to integrate into every facet of our lives, from healthcare to finance, the intelligence of society must rise to meet these challenges. It's a call to action for educators, policymakers, and every individual to engage with these technologies thoughtfully and responsibly. In closing, remember that the power of AI lies not just in its capabilities, but in how we choose to use and understand it. By bridging the knowledge gap, we can ensure that the future of AI benefits all of humanity and safeguards our planet.